This product is not for everyone, and that's intentional. It's designed for a very specific person. It's for someone who wants to make their first real sale online, but keeps getting stuck before they ever ship anything. Someone who has ideas, notes, experience, maybe even content, but no actual offer. Someone who doesn't have an audience yet and doesn't want to wait until they do. If you're tired of planning, researching, and overthinking, and you want proof that you can actually create something people will pay for, this was built for you. Now, let's be clear about what this is not. This is not a get-rich shortcut. It's not a business in a box. It's not a guaranteed income system. And it's not meant for people who want everything done for them. This is a builder's guide, not a dreamer's guide. What this product gives you is a turnkey, step-by-step execution framework for one specific outcome: creating and publishing a simple, sellable digital product, fast. Not someday, not after you build an audience, not after you feel ready. Now, it walks you through exactly what to build, why to build it small, how to avoid the traps that keep people stuck, and how to move from zero to a finished, live product without getting lost in complexity. It doesn't overwhelm you with theory. It doesn't drown you in options. It gives you constraints, because constraints create momentum. And that's the point. This system is intentionally focused on a single win: your first paid product. Not scaling, not automation, not optimization. Proof. The reason that matters is simple. Once someone buys something you created, everything changes. You stop asking, "Can I do this?" And you start asking, "How many times can I repeat this?" That's the shift this product is built to create. Now, here's the honest question most people are really asking, even if they don't say it out loud. If someone buys this, will they feel like they bought a real solution, or just guidance? Here's the honest answer. If you're looking for hand-holding, a magic idea generator, or a done-for-you business, this isn't for you. But if you're looking for clarity, structure, and execution, this delivers. Tells you what to focus on, what to ignore, how to know when something is done enough, and when to stop thinking and publish. That's what early buyers are actually paying for. Not polish, not hype, not perfection. Clarity. This is a clean, comprehensible product, built for the right person. The right person doesn't want fluff. They don't want motivation speeches. They don't want a 50-page course. They want a fast, no-nonsense execution playbook that helps them ship something real and get paid for it. That's exactly what this is. This product isn't trying to prove anything fancy. It's doing something far more important. It's helping you prove that you can ship and sell. That's the hardest standard to set. And once you set it, everything else becomes easier. If you're ready for clarity instead of noise, execution instead of theory, and momentum instead of waiting, this was built for you. Get your first $100 digital product, no audience, today.